Hey, I received a YouTube comment called, "Hey, I'm an old age pensioner and I have middle finger damage on my right hand. I'm wondering if you've ever heard or seen anyone playing accordion with this problem. Could it be achieved?" It depends on the person, but I wanted to talk about physical shortcomings, physical or mental shortcomings, and how we can adapt to a situation. The Paralympics just finished, and I watched them, and I was blown away. Me and Kate and our kids were just blown away by people overcoming difficulty, whether it's a physical difficulty, a mental difficulty, a difficulty in getting to the Olympics and countries not being able to participate. We as humans are superstars. We have the ability to be superstars. So you're trying to play the song Smile. Let me show you what it's like. I don't have middle finger damage, but in general, if we just had use of these two fingers, the thumb and second finger, I'm going to omit my pinky and my fourth finger, but a similar thing applies. I'm going to try and not playing with my middle finger. Your left hand will carry the tune with a little bit of background. Your right hand will do the melody with just these two fingers, right? Right, so what is learning for you? I mean, I'm trying to answer the question normally. Have I ever heard or seen anyone playing with middle finger damage? I haven't, but what it means for you is just practicing with your two fingers. It means practicing your scales. Getting the physicality of just these two fingers. It means doing your triads and arpeggios of trying to omit your middle finger or using your middle finger the way that it is, but understanding your physicality, right? People have bigger fingers, people have narrower fingers. My son now is learning piano and his fingers are small. And so we're learning how to produce sound using your own body. And again, going back to the Paralympics, we humans are superstars. If you want to make music, JC49, you'll find a way to make music. You'll find a way to make your instrument musical, right? The little... There's a beautiful piano concerto written for one hand. I think it's just performed with the left hand. And what a concert pianist can do with their left hand blows my two hands out of the water. The musicality, the passion, the emotion that can happen. So to answer you, yes, it could be achieved 100%. It just means that for your 15 minutes of practice every day, the way that your fingers will run along the piano will be different than the way that mine do. But that's okay. We're already different. We're already playing differently. So I encourage you, sorry to maybe I made a big deal out of a small comment, but I think there's a bigger subject of whatever limitation you have, whether it's no time, whether you can't get an accordion, there are ways around it. Again, humans have an amazing ability to adapt, and music is no different. Thanks. I hope you're well.